Good morning, dear students. I am Simpi. All of you are welcome to EVS class. In the previous class, we studied about the sense organs. Today, we will study about the people with special needs. Without further ado, let's get started. What is communication? Communication is the process of receiving and sending messages. It has two types, verbal and non-verbal. In verbal, we communicate with others to use words. There are two methods to communicate to use words, oral and written. In oral, we speak. In written, we write. In non-verbal, we communicate without using words with facial expression, happiness, sadness, anger, surprise, fear, confusion, excitement that can be expressed by facial expression. Gesture. Gesture is a movement of the hand, head, etc. that express something. Sign language. In the sign language, we use the hands to make signs instead of spoken words. Special people include a child who has a condition of disability resulting from the loss of one or more limbs, hearing disorder, hearing impairment, impairment of the sense of smell, visual disorder, visual impairment of the sense of sight. Such type of people require special services with special needs. What is sign language? Sign language is a language used specially by people who cannot hear or speak, using the hands to make signs instead of spoken words. This is the way to express English alphabet, to use sign language to make signs with the help of hands. What is Braille? Braille is a system of raised dots that can be read and write with the fingers by people who are blind. Braille was invented by Louis Braille. Louis Braille was born in France. He was blind. In the accident, he lost his eyes at the age of 3 years. Today, this method is still used by people who are blind. This is Braille script. Blind people read and write English alphabet with the help of this Braille script. They were special people, Ludwig van Beethoven and Helen Keller. They showed that they can be whatever they want to be. Ludwig van Beethoven created beautiful pieces of music, although he was hearing impaired. He was a German composer and pianist. He is one of the most admired composers in the history of Western music. Imagine you are in a dark and quiet room. You can't hear anything and you can't see anything. This is how Helen Keller lived from the time she was just 19 months old. Helen could not see or hear because an illness left her blind and deaf. She learned to make signs with her hands. The signs told her mother and father what she wanted. She did not know shapes, colors, or words. When Helen was 7 years old, a woman named Annie Sullivan came to teach her. I will help your daughter, Annie told Helen's parents. Annie formed letters on Helen's hand using sign language. The letters helped teach Helen about words. She formed the letters for doll, DOLL, and gave Helen her doll. She spelled water, WATER, and let Helen feel the water flowing from the pump. Helen was so excited for the first time ever. She understood words. Where, she said, quickly spelling the word water with her fingers. Helen loved learning so much that she learned 30 words in one day. Some of her first words were pin, hat, and cup. She also learned sit, walk, and stand. Helen also wanted to speak aloud, but she had a problem. She could not hear words when she was 10 years old. Helen went to a special school to learn how to talk. Helen also learned to read by using Braille. Helen even went to college. She wanted to learn and grow and did not let her physical challenges stop her. Helen Keller was the first deaf-blind person to earn a college degree. Helen wanted to help others with physical and mental challenges. I will show them that they can be whatever they want to be. Helen said, and I will show other people that everyone has value, even those with disabilities. Helen Keller made a big difference in the world. Her life continues to inspire us today. Writing for newspapers and magazines, Helen wrote about being blind and deaf. She wrote about problems and their solutions. People liked reading Helen's writing. They enjoyed her style and her spirit. Helen Adams Keller was an American author, political activist, and lecturer. Today, we have completed all the topics of this chapter. What have you learned from this chapter? That our body is very important for us. Each and every organ of the body has its own function. We should take care of our body. We should take care of the organs of our body. We should keep ourselves fit and healthy. This is your assignment. First question is, Dash invented Braille script. You have to write down who invented Braille script. Next one, Dash people can see. You have to write people can see are called what? Next question is, Dash people can speak. People who are not able to speak are called what? Next question is, Dash is used by deaf and dumb people to convey messages. What is the language called? Next question is, a special kind of writing on paper with raised dots is called what? In the next class, we will do hard words and exercises of this chapter. You have to do this assignment. Stay safe and keep learning. Thank you.